Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Coredy R3500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: strong suction. The 2.7-inch vacuum has a suction power of 1700 pascals, which allows it to pick up all kinds of dirt and garbage. You no longer need to check if your pet's hair is littering the house or worry about those little crumbs that get away from you during your meal. This robot vacuum does not miss a thing. The Coredy R3500 is able to automatically increase or decrease suction power, and this makes it perfect for all floors. With its main rolling brush and dual-edge brushes, this robot vacuum is able to clean different floor types ranging from the medium pile carpet to the hard floor. Sensor technology. The sensor enables it to detect when it is about to fall off the stairs or some kind of edge, and it quickly adjusts itself. Not only edges, whenever the Coredy R3500 reaches a piece of furniture with its inbuilt sensors, but it is also able to successfully maneuver around the obstacle and go on with its cleaning task. It also possesses an anti-scratch bumper and top that makes it impervious to dents and scratches. This feature essentially allows the vacuum to be able to clean by itself without the supervision of the user. Remote control. The remote control offers you the opportunity to switch between cleaning modes. You can choose a cleaning mode that is appropriate for the kind of floor that is to be cleaned. It also allows you to set a cleaning schedule, choose when to start, and also when to stop the cleaning process. If you are at work and you need your place cleaned before you get home, all you have to do is just push a button. Long battery life. Another feature that puts the Coredy R3500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner among the top is its superior battery life. Equipped with a battery that is able to run for 120 minutes after being fully charged, this is a vacuum that can meet your deep cleaning needs. The robot vacuum cleaner is also able to automatically revert to charging mode when work is either done or when battery power is less than 15%.